What's going on, guys? In this video, we're going to be upgrading the puddle lights on our 4th gen Ram pickup truck. So this will work on a 1500, 2500, 3500, etc. So the first thing you're probably going to ask is, you already have them, why would you want to upgrade them? So this is the factory puddle light, and you'll see here it's got one LED chip. This is the aftermarket one. Look at how many chips are on it. So this one's going to be substantially brighter, and we're going to show you guys exactly how much brighter it is, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. So it's super easy to remove. So here's a factory one. It just has 2 of these spade connectors that you slide off. You can't mix them up because there's a wider one and a skinnier one. So that is straightforward there. And then what you're going to do is come in through the side here, and you see this clip right here. You're going to put a screwdriver in there and release that, and it's going to open this way. So I'm going to go step by step on the other side with you guys. But let's go ahead. We'll put in this puddle light on this side, and then we'll compare it to the factory one on the other side in the daylight, and then we'll wait for nighttime to come and we'll compare it again. So there you go. Extremely easy to install. Just slide those 2 spade connectors in there. Then we're going to tuck up the excess wire in here, and then we'll put our 2 hinges right there and then close it on the latch. All right, so here we go. There's the 2 hinges. We're gonna close it this way. Our wires are in until it snaps, and that's it. Perfect fit, you guys. Looks just like factory, the fit and finish, and it clicks in just like factory. And then if I unlock the vehicle, check out how bright that is right there. You can see how much it's shining. If I walk over to the other side right now during the daylight, you don't really barely see any illumination on my paint there, and that's the light underneath. So once the sun goes down, we'll compare both sides, and then we'll pop the other one in. All right, you guys, so it's now nighttime. This side here is the side with the stock puddle light. You guys can hopefully see there. And if I walk to the other side, you can tell there is a huge difference on the ground here. So a little bit hard to pick up with the camera, but like, look at how much it's shining on the side of my door there and on the ground. So it is substantially brighter on the ground there. And then on this side, obviously we still have a puddle light, but it's not nearly as bright. It's much more dim over here, as opposed to when I go to this side, it is way brighter over here on the ground. So hopefully that comes across good for you guys. Like I said, really bright on this side. So let's go ahead and swap out the stock one on this side as well. Okay, and here we go with both puddle lights. Hopefully you guys can see right there. It is super bright on the ground now beside my truck. So this is with me pressing unlock on the remote. And like, check out how bright it is on the side of the truck now. I'd say it's well worth it. It makes a huge difference, definitely noticeable. And something is functional. You can walk up and, you know, you're not gonna trip over something that's next to your truck, or you can just see a lot easier, you know, approaching your vehicle, which is exactly what these approach puddle lights are. Okay, so here's where you're gonna wanna take your screwdriver, put it in here, and you're gonna pry that way. It's gonna pop down like that, pull it out. There's your 2 wires, swap them over. Same thing, tuck everything back in, put the 2 in there. You're gonna get these 2 hinges lined up, swivel it up, push it until your latch clicks. So that's gonna do it for this video, you guys. Super simple, very easy. Just plug the wires in, pop it out. In less than 5 minutes, you can improve the lighting. I'll link down below where you guys can pick these exact ones up. I've gone through a couple sets for you guys, so I've done a little bit of preliminary testing. I got another set that wasn't that bright. This one is definitely brighter. Let me know your comments down below. Give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed this type of content. Let me know what other videos you wanna see. Make sure you subscribe so you're notified of when I post another video. We'll catch you guys on the next one.